Hello everyone, welcome to Absen Service Training class. I'm a service engineer at Absen. This class is to bring you a demonstration of repairing pixels on the GS5 product. Repair tools include soldering iron, solder wire, marker, electric screwdriver, tweezers, waterproof glue. Mark the bad pixel before repairing. Use an electric screwdriver to remove the mask screws. Remove the mask. After removing the masks, use the tweezers to clean the waterproof glue around the bad pixel. Be careful not to scratch the PCB circuit while cleaning the silicone. After cleaning the silicone, we can remove the bad pixel. Use the soldering iron to add the solder wire to one side of the pixel. Push slightly. Tilt the side of the pixel. Hold the top of the pixel by hand. Use the soldering iron. Add solder to the other side of pixel. Gently push. Pixel will be removed. After removing the bad pixel, add some solder to clean the PCB trace. After cleaning the bad, you can put a new pixel. The specifications of pixels is 1921. Take a new pixel, put it in the right position. Make sure it's same direction with the surrounding pixels. When soldering the pixel, make sure two sides of the pixels are aligned. Use the soldering iron to add solder to one side of pixel. Solder the other side of pixels with solder wire. Use your finger to press the top of the pixel while soldering. After soldering, visibly check the pixels first, then test. If there is color missing, their soldering will be needed. If single color and scan lines work properly, then start dispensing. Several notes while placing the silicone. Apply silicone evenly. Do not leave the silicone on the surface of pixel. Cover the silicone around the pixel. At this point, waterproof glue has been dispensed. Wait for 2 hours approximately. After this silicone is completely cooled, you can put back the masks. This GS5 maintenance operation has been completed. Was this explanation clear for you?